Alright, well, I woke up today. The package was sitting on my doorstep. I was pumped, so I remembered gonna make an unboxing video. So here it is. I'm gonna do this with one hand, so it's kind of tough. So that was a lot easier than I expected. Empty. So this is it now. Again. Give you a hint. Obviously know what this is. It's a T-stock, so I don't know what the gun could be. Phantom. Most of you guys that said Phantom were right, but it's not just any Phantom. It's a duck slide. Phantom duck slide. Fucking hot. And it came with the T-stock and all this shit in here, which I will show you. Came with the rear 12 gram changer. It came with the dropout too, which is already on it. And it came with the rear valve and then the vertical adapter. So right there, and you just put the valve in the back. So yeah, it came with all that stuff. I've wanted a Phantom duck slide for a while now, and finally I have one. Still, it came with the price. I had to get rid of my other pump for this thing, but you know what? I hope I don't regret it getting into stock class, you know. Alright, thanks. Hope you guys like it. I'll post up some shooting videos later. Peace.